What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kai, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lose weight without diet or exercise. And I know what you might be thinking, like, bro, that's too good to be true. Get out of here with that, right? Of course, if you track every single calorie, work out 4 to 6 days a week, that's gonna give you the most optimal results. But if you're just starting off and you're brand new to this and you want one easy and simple step that you could take and implement right now and start losing weight today, then let's take a ride with me and I'll show you what that is. All right, before we get into it, I do want to mention that the only way you can actually lose weight is to stay in a calorie deficit. So whatever your maintenance calories are, whatever you eat to maintain the weight that you're on, you want to either eat less than that or you want to exercise to burn those calories off. So I know you've heard calories in, calories out before, and that's 100% true. It's all about burning more calories than you consume. So with that said, if you're not going to be exercising to burn off the extra calories, or you're not tracking your calories to make sure you're staying in that calorie deficit, picking the right foods is going to be crucial to your success. I'm not saying you have to stop eating pizza and start eating salads, okay, because that's hard for anybody to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a much easier tip to keep your calories low. Let's get into it. So take these pizzas for instance. It's not about trading in the pizza for a salad or anything like that. It's about making the right choices. So this slice of pizza per serving has 410 calories. This pizza has 300 calories. So all you have to do is make the right decision, even if you're gonna be eating pizza or anything like that, right? Let me show you some more examples. And guys, if you have a sweet tooth like I do, and you love yourself some ice cream, this one has 170 calories per serving, right? Vanilla bean, or you can go ahead and get yourself some Halo Top, 290 calories for this whole thing, or 100 calories per serving. Okay, so you're gonna eat this whole thing for 290 calories, or you're gonna have 2/3 of a cup for 170. So here's another big tip, okay, is the bread you choose, right? So this Wonder Bread, delicious, I get it, 140 calories for 2 slices. This, also delicious, 45 calories per slice, 70 calories for 2 slices. Look at the difference, right? Here's another example. If you drink whole milk, you're drinking 150 calories per serving. If you change to almond milk, that's 30 calories per serving. That's 120 calories you save just by making that switch. Here's another great example. This yogurt has 160 calories per serving, right? Well, you can choose the same size yogurt, same amount for half the calories, right? And you get more protein in this, so make the right choices. Here's another example, right? If you have regular cheese, you're looking at about 90 calories per serving on this one, right? Or you can make the right choice and go with fat-free cheese, right? And that's 45 calories per serving. So you save half of the calories almost. If you drink juice, I don't recommend you do, but if you do, you gotta make the right choices again, right? So this, you have, I think it's 130 calories per serving, 8 ounces, okay? This, you have 5 calories every 8 ounces, okay? Think about it. You can drink this whole thing for the amount that you can have in 1 glass of juice, so make the right choices. And another substitute I make for my diet, I actually grew up on these, but this is 50 calories, okay, per tablespoon. So what I use nowadays is just a spray of butter, right? So you get, it's 0 calories per spray. You can always do this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce as well. Everyone loves a little Sweet Baby Ray's, but that's 70 calories per serving. Or you can make the right choice and go for this sugar-free, all right? That's 10 calories per serving. And if you're gonna have yourself a little salad, make sure you're making the right choice, okay? The salad dressing has 140 calories, all right? There are salad dressings out here that have 10 calories. Make the right choice. If you're gonna be making any type of tacos, wraps, anything like that, this, you're looking at 190 calories. Or you can sell it for this Fiber One roll, which only has 70 calories per. And you can always substitute eggs that are about 60 to 70 calories per egg for something like an egg white, okay, which you get 25 calories per serving here. You can do yourself some Coca-Cola, which has 140 calories per serving. Or you can go ahead and get yourself some Diet Coke, which has 0 calories per serving. And if you're a big snacker, you like to sit in front of the TV, grab yourself some snacks. These Doritos has 150 calories per serving, or you can go ahead and get yourself some smart food instead. Those are 70 calories per serving, okay? Make the right choices. All right, guys, I hope that helped you understand that you don't have to cut out the foods you love. Just make the right choices of choosing the low-calorie options. That way, you're not restricting yourself of the foods you actually enjoy eating, so it's gonna make dieting or it's gonna make losing weight a lot easier for you. By making that one easy change, you're gonna save hundreds of calories per day, and that's gonna add up to hundreds and hundreds of calories per week, and you're gonna start losing weight very, very fast. And if you do that consistently for months, you're gonna see great results. And once you start seeing results, the process becomes a lot easier. All right, guys, I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to drop a like. And if you're new to your weight loss or fitness journey, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be dropping a new video every single week, just like this one. All right, guys, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.